What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Speed Innovations, and today we're going to talk about the complete harness kit for the 2RZ, 3RZ, 4-coil setup, and this will be for the 2001 to 2004 Toyota Tacoma and 4Runner engines. Now, this is for the 2RZ, 3RZ, 4 coils. This is not for the 2 coils, not for the distributors. And this is definitely not for the 3rd gen 4Runner guys. This is definitely one of those swap harnesses that you're going to use when you're trying to put this engine or one of these two engines into your Toyota Corolla, your Celica, your 22R pickup truck, your 3VZ pickup truck. This is more of a swap harness than it is a Tacoma harness. So just that's important to note. But this harness is pretty cool. It's pretty neat. It gives you all the functions you need. And as with all of our harnesses, it comes with an Elite 550 pre-programmed on the ECU with the startup tune in it. Comes with the WB1 Haltech wideband modules. Get all the correct information it needs. This vacuum line goes to your internal map sensor, which is inside the Haltech ECU. It's good for 43 pounds of boost. This is the factory 4-coil setup here. So it's factory 4-coil setup. Plugs right into your coils on top of your valve cover. For this, like I said, this is the 2001 to 2004 4-coil setup. It also comes with air temp sensor, a couple pigtails here. We'll go over that in a second. But the big part is the complete engine harness. Now, this complete engine harness is just like all the rest of the harnesses we have built in-house. We build this in our shop ourselves. All the injectors are labeled, all the cam and crank sensors are labeled, everything is labeled. And it does plug into all your factory sensors like your coolant temp sensor. Pretty neat right there. So just with all of our harnesses here, our coil harness just plugs right in. And so we have an ignition output wire that comes out of the ECU harness here, and this ignition output wire will then plug into your factory 4 coils. Now, if you decide you wanted to upgrade sometime down the road, you put a bigger turbo on, or you just like the race coil setup that we have, no problem, because you can just unplug this and our race coil kit plugs right into here. Super cool, very upgradable. All of our harnesses have their own internal power supplies. Internal power supply would be for the relay here. And we also have our own circuit protection going to this as well. So we try to make our harnesses as self-contained as possible. So the relay is what powers the injectors and the coils and can also power your race coils as well. So very cool. We always try to make these things upgradable. As always, this kit is for the Haltech Elite 550, the single connector ECUs. All of our harnesses come with a fuel pump trigger wire here. This will plug right into our harness. What that does is that negatively triggers your fuel pump relay. It doesn't activate your fuel pump directly. This just activates your fuel pump relay. So negatively, so this would be if you're hooking up a basic ISO relay, you're gonna have 85, 86, 87, and 30. We would wire this to 85, which would be your negative side. Your 86 would be your key switch power supply. So when you turn the key on, you have power to your 86. The ECU negatively triggers your 85, and then it activates the connection for the your 87 and your 30, which is your pass-through. So you have your supply and then whatever you're going to your function. So that's pretty neat setup. All of our harnesses also have this really super cool key switch power input right there. So all you need to do is supply your key switch power supply to this one wire here, and then you hook up your ground wire as it shows in the instructions and your battery wire. That's it. Super simple. That's all the wiring you have to do. You don't have to cut any wires. You don't have to do anything. Just add key switch to this deal here. Hook this up to your relay, your battery positive, battery ground, and away you go. For those that want to wire this up to your key switch power supply, we have a really neat closed barrel butt connector deal here, so you can strip that and put that on. Some really good quality heat shrink there. And we'll supply air temp sensor if you're running a turbo supercharger. If it's a turbo, kind of want this in the intake manifold, but it can be in your intake tube right before the throttle body. If If it's a supercharger, you want to put this below the supercharger, hottest air possible. All of our systems come with instructions, little stickers you got there, and a card. Going back to the ECU, we pre-program these with the startup tune, and that startup tune is just to get you to start and run. Now, it's important to note, it's not your burnout tune. It's not your gonna go cruise down the strip and get under boost. Nope. You call me and say, hey, this thing's cutting out 5 pounds of boost. Gonna say, yeah, you're stupid. You probably shouldn't be doing that, because it's a startup tune, not a drive tune. We used to label these things as base tunes, but people got that confused with I can just drive across country with this. That's not what it's intended for. But keep in mind that there's so many different variables and variations of engine combinations and vehicle size and weights and gear ratios and tire sizes, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. So we can only get these things as close as possible, but that startup tune is guaranteed to start and run. And if it doesn't start and run, we do give free tech support with our products. So if you install any of our products and the engine does not start and it does not run, no problem. You give us a call, 928-854-1320. Talk to one of the guys in the office and say, hey, this thing isn't starting. I want to schedule a tech support with Gabe. So he'll take it, put it on the calendar. I'll remote in. Sometimes I got to fix some of the cam and crank stuff. Some of these cam and crank sensors can be kind of old, kind of finicky. And sometimes I got to go in there, make some adjustments. But for the most part, our systems are designed to start and run. Tuning is always additional, is always extra. Either you can tune it, you can take it to a local tuner, or you can give us a call and we can remote tune it. So that's it. That's our complete harness kit there. The wideband module is pretty simple. That just plugs right into the ECU and then right into the sensors, and then this goes right into your exhaust. So it's pretty simple there. And that's it. Again, this is for the Toyota 2RZ, 3RZ. This is for the 2001 to 2004 engines. This is designed to swap into whatever chassis you want to put it into. So super cool. So hope you guys liked all that stuff. Don't forget to do all that soccer stuff. Like, follow, subscribe, ring that bell if you want the notifications. And if you don't want the notifications, that's okay too. Don't ring that bell, but please like, follow, subscribe, drop a comment. There's new hyper function now, so please send us that hyper. We appreciate that. It really, really helps for videos kind of take off so everybody else can see the products as well. So again, thank you guys very much, and we'll see you next time. Be good and stay tuned. Hey guys, don't forget, we got that super cool member deal going on here. So you can be a member. You can do the pit crew, mechanic, or the tuner version. Those gives you special access and stuff like seeing videos like this one in advance. You can see them as quickly as they're loaded onto YouTube. So that's pretty cool because you get to catch them way before some other people, sometimes days, sometimes it can be a week or two. So please don't forget to check out our member section. All the stuff we can do to try to help you guys out. So thanks, guys.